Hello, everyone. My name is Emerson Travalini from the marketing team. And today with me, I have Gabriel Militão, also from the marketing team. Hello, Gabriel. How are you?
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hello, Emerson.
Hello. Well, today we're going to talk about how to build a real estate website. Just before that, a couple of logistics. We are recording this webinar and we'll post the recording in our blog tomorrow or Friday at last. And if you have any question, just pop them in on the chat and we will stop periodically to answer, or we can answer at the end. So let's get started, but right before, if you are new here, eDirectory is a software that allows to build several types of directory-based websites, such as classified websites, review sites, local guides, and other things. It's fully customizable. You can change labels, design. There is the visual page editor based by widgets, so it's a drag and drop feature that you can poke around and change the design with easy without knowing coding or even design. It's very simple to use. It also has an integrated app builder, so you can turn your website into native apps published on App Store and Play Store from Google as well. So you can do a lot with eDirectory. And if you're new here, you can request a guided demo on our website. Just go to eDirectory.com and you can see the button to schedule a demo. So let's begin. Before that, we have the schedule of the next events on November 22nd. Power up your listings, mastering the template editor. eDirectory has the listing template editor that you can create different styles and content for each category if you want to. So we're going to dive into this topic next. On December 6th, we'll have prepare your website for the holidays. We're going to talk about how to automatize your websites and take advantage of these features, and also talk about promotion templates and other things that you can use to drive sales on the last month of the year. And on December 20th, our last event of the year, local SEO for online directories. So if you want to, and you have to optimize your listings, your pages, categories, locations, etc., to be more visible to search engines and increase your exposure, driving more organic traffic to your website. So it's a very important topic to close up the year. So go to eDirectory.com/webinars and register today. Well, now it's time, how to build a real estate website. As I mentioned before, eDirectory fits any industry or vertical. You can use it for several type of directory-based websites, from just classifieds or just business listings or job listings, whatever you want to. And now we have this real estate theme. It's incorporated to the theme switcher inside Site Manager. You can switch the slide, Gabriel, please. Okay, perfect. So it's now an official theme from eDirectory. So you can select from within your Site Manager dashboard. You have the options to select from the wedding theme, the doctor theme, the standard theme, and also the real estate theme. It was revamped in our latest version with more widgets, more advanced search bar, and another things that we're going to show in a few minutes. It's perfect for property listings. So we have the SEO optimized for that. So we use one thing called schema.org, which is just a direction for our developers to code the website. So search engines will see that those property are listings, so you can take advantage of all the search engine results page feature snippets if you are allowed to. So it's SEO optimized for property listings. But you can also have agencies and brokers on the same website, and they will have the SEO for local business. So you have everything covered for the SEO and the optimization for the search engines. As I mentioned, there is the advanced search, so your visitor can search for the type of property, the category, the location, how the numbers of rooms, if there's garage, the pricing, etc. I'm going to show you the details. So it's perfect for general websites and property listings exclusive websites. You can build different things with this. So Gabriel will show you a little bit more about our real estate demo website. Gabriel.
Okay, everyone. So just before starting here, I will just show the real estate website quickly here. I just wanted to talk about a little bit about the importance of a well-designed real estate website. This is crucial for the success of any real estate business, actually. It helps to connect the buyers and sellers and provides a central location for all relevant information. Furthermore, it can help streamline buying and selling process of houses, apartments, flats, any kind of property that you have, okay? So the directory design team worked a lot to build this thing for both desktop and mobile devices, so it works seamlessly between both platforms to ensure that users can easily find what they're looking for, whether it's property listings, filters, or contact information, or other essential features. So this will reduce frustration and enhance the overall user satisfaction with the product, okay? So right now, I would like to talk about creating the listing templates and the categories. Let me get back to my presentation here. Yes. So we've come up with a recommended settings for creating listing categories and listing templates to help you navigate. Let's say you're just starting your property directory, your real estate directory, and want to know where to start. This is some kind of a little bit of a guide that we've put up, where you just have to work with 3 categories and 3 listing templates, okay? I will go back to my real estate directory. I'll just show you briefly how it looks, okay? So what it sets apart from the original directories that you have now, you now have a different search bar where you can find operations that you can do. So buy, rent, and also the categories. These are all the categories you can register on your directory. We have these, okay? So this is what let's say this is a widget for featured listings looks like. More listings, so you have the prices, so you have like the amenities, like the number of rooms, the number of toilets, the size of the area. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can navigate the real estate demo directory. It's free to use. Just go browsing there. Let me log into the site manager. Okay, logging in. All right, so we're now in the site manager. It looks like just like the regular directory site manager. Okay, so the process to creating the categories and the listing templates is the same. You go to content, listings, and then up here you have the menu. You have the tabs for the categories and the listing templates. What we recommend in our presentation is for you to create a listing agency. So if you have a property agency, you create one category for that, one for listing agent or realtors, you create another category for that, and then you can create another one for just the properties itself, okay? Let's say I want to create this. Of course, you can work with the SEO content with this category. I would just stick for this, just stick with the basics for now. So this is what we recommend you to do. Create 3 categories, and you will create 3 listing templates to match these categories, okay? So right now I already have here, so I have the listing itself. Let's say this is for the property, and this is for the real estate agency, and this is for the realtors, right? So once you create these 3 categories matching, these 3 listing templates matching the categories, one thing that you can do is inside the property category, let's say it's this one, properties category. I will name it free. I will explain that later with Emerson. He will tell us this. But the most important thing here is that we want this to be the actual property listen template. So it is mandatory for you to enable the property fields using this check right here, okay, for the real estate. For the other two, we're going to treat that as a company or as a person, as a realtor, so they don't need to have these fields enabled, okay? What this changes is that you're going to have access to different fields once you saved it, the profile here. So this will enable the fields specific for houses and apartments, such as price, if you're going to buy and rent a property, the size of the land, all of those houses and apartment fields that you're going to need to sell the product, okay? Right. So after we've done that, you must ensure that you have the resources for these flags separated and managed here at the manage levels of pricing right here. So you have to check if your listing template, what is going to have. Sometimes you want to create a listing template that will have such resources that you find here and other ones that don't have. Okay, so for example, let's say I created here my listing templates. Let's say for the realtors, it's not important to have, let's say, classifieds or deals. Okay, no, I want the classifieds, but I don't want the deals. So you just can delete this. And then you can link as well. You can add a widget here to use the linked listings. So one realtor can have multiple listings attached to his profile or her profile. Okay, so that's pretty easy to navigate as well. And also you can select which widgets are going to be the most important for the, let's say, the realtor or the real estate profile, the real estate person profile. It's going to need a photo gallery. No, I don't think so. So you just remove that. Let's save the photo galleries and the videos for the real estate property listing template. So you can differentiate these listing templates, make their prices different as well for the clients this way. So explore, I recommend you to explore these two, the listing templates. We're going to have a webinar coming after, just like Emerson read to us, on how to actually dominate the listing template territory, which was one of the most important parts when creating your listings in a directory, okay? And I want to show you right now, so let's go back to the website. So what I meant by the real estate fields is this. So you're going to have the property fields. So you have the bedrooms, you have the bathrooms, the garage, the size, and you have the person here who is the owner of this listing. You have the features and the photo gallery. So this is set up with the listing template that I just created to look like this. So it has this specific header right here with the multiple image header, and the photo gallery and the features, and also linked listings right here below. Let's say I want to find a property, let's say in New York. Then go back. Okay, let me try another way. Yes, this is what I wanted. So, right, I just wanted to show you the results page. So when you search for, I'm in the category of houses. I have 10 results here on my demo. And what I wanted to show you is this, that we have these specific filters for the search results page in the real estate website. You don't have this in regular eDirectory websites. So you have to select the real estate theme in order to have these search filters. Okay, so they are the most common used filters in the market, where you can search by the number of bedrooms, by the number of toilets, how many car parking spots you have in your garage. And then you can make your search much richer using also the map combined with the filters. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I just want to show you another thing here inside the design menu, page editor. I just wanted to show, so we have the real estate search bar. We have new search widgets available. And Emerson will show that in detail, but I just wanted to show you, yeah, oh, sorry, I don't have it here. Emerson will show you the advanced search, the result from the search bar for the real estate thing, where you can have much more advanced features, searching not only, let's say, just finding a place in a place, a property in a place. You're going to have access to much more detailed information. Emerson, want to highlight something here, design-wise or regarding the listing templates and categories?
No, I guess that's it. We have a few questions here. Let me just go through them before I switch over. Okay. A question from Ron. Once you paid for the App Store submission, is there an expiration date when you can use it? No, you can use it at any time. Just ping our support team and they will start the process for you, or your sales rep as well. Question from B, just joined it, little late, but is this new template need to buy, or it can be under same site and same license? Yes, it can be under same site and same license as long as you are on the latest version. So if you are on 13.3, it comes with the software by default. You don't need to buy anything extra besides the regular license. Question from Miguel, support related. When I add the real estate search widget, it does not look like the one in the demo. You can ping our support team because it might be several factors that affects your website, such as design, CSS, cache. Hard to tell from here, but just ping our support team and they will fix that for you very quickly. A question from Johannes, are these filters only available in the real estate theme? Yes, it's only for the real estate theme. It's hard-coded for bathroom, garage, price, and area of the properties. A question from Jeff, assuming we're not going to be able to compete with Zillow, Redfin, and license the MLS listing data, are there niches that eDirectory is especially useful, vacation homes, Airbnb type of sites? It fits any niche. It's a matter of the efforts we're going to put gathering users, driving traffic, running business. So it's the website you see, the software itself, it fits any niche, any vertical, any industry. But as more niche it is, more options you are going to have to explore. And you can ask our team to customize the website so you can connect any MLS integration you need. So it's under customization, but it's available as well. So any broker or agency that already has their MLS license, they will be able to easily pull up the same inventory of properties. Question from Natalie, can you provide a link to this team for real estate? Yes, Gabriel just posted on the chat. Guess that's it for questions right now. So I'm going to use anything else, Gabriel?
No, just passing the torch right here.
Okay, so just a quick recap from what Gabriel showed. Our recommendation is to have different listing categories for properties, brokers, and agencies, so you can work different fields and custom fields and select the level of these features on the listing levels manager. So you can create different plans with different features on each. And for the listing template editor, which is a different thing, you should create one listing template for each of these categories. This way, when a broker is creating his account or her account, they're going to select the specific template for broker or for agents, and will fill in the proper fields. These will create rich listing detail pages, as we're going to explore on our next webinar. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little bit more about the listing template editor and how to use some specific widgets to create these rich listing properties, proper listing pages.
We have another question just before you start. How many MLS, RSS feed, or API feed we can add in the script site?
As the integration can be created by customization, I'm not sure about it. It has to be analyzed by our team, and they can provide you a quote on that.
Send us an email about that. We'll post our email here.
Okay, we can follow up later as well. Okay, perfect. So let me share my screen and show a little bit about my, oh, that's not, oh, is this one? Okay, we had a question previously about if we need a new license to work with this theme, or it can be under the same license. On my test website, we are using a hybrid model. So we have the regular business directory with deals, places, different categories, classifieds, deals, and we added the properties on the same website so it can coexist a property listing and a business listing on the same website. So if you already have a website, you can start exploring this niche a bit deeper with the real estate theme. You just have to activate it from your site manager dashboard and make it there. So I made a simple edit on the navigation bar, and I added here a link direct to my custom page. So I can have the regular search bar for the other modules, the listings, views, etc., this module. And I can also have on the home page a cards widget highlighting properties like invest in Miami. So I can highlight 2 properties, for example, and linking to the same page I created here. So I can create a custom page, and then I can use the real estate search widget. And I'm using here the advanced search widget. So let me open this on a new window so I can have the proper window here. So let me show you very quickly. Okay, so the advanced search bar is this one. So anyone visiting your website, they can select from a drop-down menu the type of properties. This is the categories associated with the real estate templates you created. So if I create more types here, like empty lots or warehouses, etc., it will all show up here, just the property types. The location, which is basic, and people then can select price, property size, land size, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or a garage. I added here the same widget to highlight some properties I have on my website. And also I created a specific spot on my website, a highlight spot, a featured spot, so I can sell this space and make a little bit more income with the broker of the week or brokers. You can add a different number of listings here. So I have this listing, which is a broker, and I have a property listing. So let me open both, and I will show you how it works. For the regular...
Emerson, just one question. We are seeing now the Miami Online Directory screen. Is this one you're showing? with the
Yeah.
search bar.
Which one? I'm sorry.
It's the third tab on your browser. After the blog post, how to build it.
Okay, I guess I was on the wrong screen. So thanks God you're helping me here. So let's start over. Okay, now you can see the screen correctly. You can see my mouse moving.
Right. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
perfect. So
right.
now we have here, so again, just a recap. We have the advanced search bar. On my test website, I created the navigation menu that drives traffic to a custom page I created just for the real estate properties. I added this advanced search widgets, which people can select the property type, which is based on, it pulls up the categories I have associated with real estate properties, location, price, size, number of garage, bedrooms, etc. I highlighted two property listings here, and at the bottom, I created this widget to highlight one broker, for example, broker of the week or agents of the month, whatever you want to do to drive a bit more revenue as you are creating a featured spot on your website. So for the listing, the broker, let me show you how it is. They can list all of their properties on a specific tab or on the main body of the information or on the sidebar. You can place the widget whatever you want, on a tab, on the overview part section of the listing detail page, or on the sidebar. I choose to put on a tab to make it a bit more organized. So this broker can list all of his properties on his detail page. So if he needs to share his content, he can share all of his properties from a single link, which is his listing detail page. This is the linked listings widgets that Gabriel mentioned before. Aside of that, we have the property listing detail page. Different types of properties can require a different design. For example, if you have just a warehouse that's empty, there's nothing to show, you don't need a widget that highlights the images. You can have a simple widget with just one cover image, not a gallery of images. But it's up to you. You can easily create different listing templates and use different headers on that templates. And at the bottom of the listing detail page, you can use this, the related listings widgets. What's the difference? The linked listings widget, which is here on the broker page, he will list all the properties that he manages. He has the ability to select the listings that's going to show up here. But you can have these widgets where it will display all the similar properties in the same area or in the same category. So your end user will be able to see more content from your website. And this is very useful for engagement. So people looking for one apartment here, for example, oh, not that nice. Oh, there are another options. So he will navigate on your website. He will see more content. He will engage more with your website, which is good for Google to see that you have a high number of clicks on your pages. And it's very simple to set up this. So as a less advanced tip is pay attention and use the related listings widgets on your pages and the linked listing widgets on the template editor. It might be confusing, but it's very easy to do that. Do we have questions?
Yes, we have a few questions. So Greg commented, blogging real estate uses 50% of my planned traffic and monetization. Classified posts the other 50%. At the appropriate time, please talk about the blog function, categories, etc. Thanks.
Okay, Greg, you can create different types of categories on your blogs and articles. The main difference about these two elements in eDirectory is that you can sell articles. It's very good for getting SEO backlinks and other type of content in your website, user-generated content, while the blog section is exclusive for the site owner. So you can decide what we're going to do. If you're going to publish the news, or if you're going to write the news, if you're a journalist, for example, you can use the blog section. The article module is something that you can sell to your advertisers, your sponsors. So use this wisely and drive a bit more revenue with articles on your website. I hope this answers the question.
Another one from Justin. What are you showing on the screen is something that I can do myself, or do I need customization?
Everything you can do it for yourself. There is no customization, no plugins, nothing. It's just the regular and standard version of our software.
Just make sure you are the latest version.
Yeah, very important.
And Miguel, using the real estate theme, can we add another section in homepage with a link to another page where we add a search bar for professional business listings? So the homepage will have a property search, and another page will have the search for professionals like agents, lenders, title companies, etc. I mean, I think you are saying the same domain, but in different pages.
Yeah, I believe that's the opposed way I did on my test website. I have a regular directory, business directory for a local guide, our Miami local guides. And then I have a section in separate, a custom page just for properties. Probably he's doing the other way around. So it's very easy to do that. Just drop the search widgets, the real estate search widgets on your homepage, create a custom page for different purpose, and just do the right link on the navigation and adjust the widgets on the different pages.
Okay. Lukman, how can I check my version, my software version?
In general, if you're on the latest version, since 13.2, I guess, you can check just on /site manager, your domain /site manager. You can see the version at the bottom, and also on your site manager dashboard on the left, there is the menu. There is the version on the bottom. But if you can't see that, just contact our support. They are able to check internally and provide the answer.
Johannes, can eDirectory be used only for subdomains or also on main domains?
On both, you can have eDirectory running as the main domain or on a subdomain from another existing website. It just is not fit for subfolders as of now.
Last call for, oh yes, Natalie, can this directory be customized for another industry?
Yes, it is. We have an in-house customization team ready to provide codes for any design or features creation you need.
And Jeff Taddy, if I have a bundle of licenses on a Node version and I pay the annual upgrade fee, is there a way to keep several sites active while I port the content to the new versions?
Yes, Jeff. Our upgrade process, you can select if you are going to upgrade your site, migrating content. So we're going to use a staging domain to upgrade your website. So all the content will be carried over. So you can test the upgraded version with the existing content you have on your website. So you don't need to have to worry about these. So just contact our account manager and he can provide more details. But it's very easy to do that.
Another one, so far we have free listings, free real estate theme, but how about hotel? I think about a hotel directory theme, something like that.
Maybe for the rooms, I don't know.
Yes, maybe to when you book room, well, maybe you could use a third-party integration, such as there are several types of widgets you can use inside the directory. So you can use to book tables in a restaurant, or you can book a room in a hotel, something like that. But you would, yes, for booking, yeah, for booking. It says.
Yeah, maybe creating a category, leasing category for hotels, which is not a proper type of leasing, just a regular business, local business leasing. You can place the hotels on the same website. And using the HTML editor plugin, you'll be able to place like the booking engine on the same page. The way we do with OpenTable and another integrations is very simple to use. It's a copy and paste function from the booking script or something along these lines. I'm not sure how booking.com works with their widgets, but it's very simple to do for another booking engines.
And the last one here is that from Johannes, is there an overview of all the themes that are available from the directory? Yes, you can see them. Actually, if you use our demodirectory.com, on the right top left side, you're going to see the themes menu. Once you click that, it will unfold all the themes available that we have on the directory right now. Okay, just go to demodirectory.com. You're going to see on the top left the menu for all the themes that we have. And Justin, I purchased the directory license. Does it mean I can hire a team of my own to do customization?
Yeah, if you were self-hosting the license, or if you're on a dedicated server, so you can have full access to the source code and hire anyone that is good at PHP and MySQL, at least, to work with your website.
And from Natalie, is there a limit to the number of fields you can add to filter and search list? I guess from the results page, maybe.
These are hard-coded for the real estate theme, so it is the ones available on the demo website.
Okay, I guess that's it for now. Yes, we'd like to thank you everyone for your time, for coming by. And we will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe at edirectory.com/webinars. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Emerson. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.